Also, angle ACB congruent to the angle DCB. Angle ACB congruent to the angle DCB. Here, angle BDC is equal to the 60 degrees. So, also the angle ABC and congruent to the angle DCB. So, angle ACB is a 30 degree. This is a given. So, triangle DCB is a 90 degree. This is also the given. So, angle ACD is equal to angle ACB plus angle DCB. Angle ACD is equal to the angle ACB plus angle DCB. So, angle addition postulate. Therefore, angle angle ACD 30 degree plus DCB also the 30 degree. So therefore angle ACD is equal to 60 degree. Therefore angle BAC is equal to angle BDC is equal to angle ACD is equal to 60 degree. Angle BAC 60 degree. So is equal to angle BDC. Angle ACD, BDC 30 degree, ACD 30. So all are the having a 60 degree. A, B, D. So that is the angle DAC is equal to angle ADC is equal to angle ACD is equal to 30 degree. And so the B is in between the A and D. So therefore, a triangle ADC is a equiangular triangle. So angle ADC is समभुज त्रिकोण आहे तो कोणता therefore ADC is a equiangular triangle म्हणजे समभुज त्रिकोण आहे तो therefore an equilateral triangle is a equilateral. Triangle ADC is a equiangular triangle. Angular triangle. So therefore AC is equal to AD plus is equal to BC. AC is equal to AD is equal to BC. So AB is equal to half BC. AB half AD. Half AD. AB is the half of the AD. So therefore AB is equal to half AC. Half AC. AC. AB is equal to half AC. तुम्हाला मीडियन ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल माहितीच आहे तर आपण थोडंसं रिव्हिजन करूया The segment joining the vertex and the midpoint of the side opposite it to it's called as the median of the triangle. म्हणजे त्रिकोणाचा शिरोबिंदू व त्याच्या समोरील बाजूचा मध्यबिंदू यांना जोडणारा रेषाखंड म्हणजे त्या त्रिकोणाची मध्यगा होय. So the triangle has the three median. A triangle has a three median. The median of the triangles are the concurrent, and the point of the concurrence of the median is called as the centroid. तर इथं यावरून आपण काय बघणार आहोत, पुढचं थेरम बघणार आहोत. Properties of the median draw on the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle. Next we take the property of a median draw on the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle. म्हणजे काय, काटकोन त्रिकोणाच्या करणेचा मध्यभेचा गुणधर्म. आता थेरम, सी द थेरम. In a right angle triangle, the length of the median on the hypotenuse is a half of the length of the hypotenuse. म्हणजे काटकोन त्रिकोणाच्या कर्णावर काढलेला मध्यभागी लांबी कर्णाच्या निम्मी असते. सो गिवन ट्रायंगल आहे ABC, त्याच्यामध्ये कोण आहे 90. AB आहे हा 90 डिग्री. बिकॉज अँगल B angle B or right angle triangle. So is having a 90. So segment BD is the median. Segment BD is the median. BD median. Then proof काय करायचं आपल्याला, BD is equal to half AC. BD is equal to half AC. BD is equal to half AC. हे प्रूफ करायचं आहे. Let's prove. In the triangle ADB and the triangle ADB and the triangle CDE. Segment AD congruent to the segment CD, and the angle ADB congruent to the angle CDE. So D is the midpoint of the segment AC and the vertically opposite angle. Angle ADB and the angle CD are the ADB and the angle CD are the vertically opposite angles. So segment BD congruent to the segment ED. Segment BD congruent to the segment ED. Reconstructed as so, and triangle ADB congruent to the triangle CDE. ADB and CDE. ADB side angle side test. So the segment AB congruent to the segment AB congruent to the segment CE. Both are the opposite side to the each other. So therefore angle BAD BAD congruent to the angle ECD. BAD and EC ECD. Therefore line AB parallel to the line EC or CE. Line AB parallel to the line EC. Alternate angle test for the parallel lines. So line BC is a transversal. BC is a transversal. Here the line BC is a transversal. Line BD का है छेदिका है. So therefore angle ABC plus angle ECB is equal to 90 degree. ABC and EC both are the 90 degree because both are the right angle triangle. So right angle triangle always are having a measure is a 90 degree. 90 degree. So sorry here 90 plus 90 180. ABC is a 90 degree or ECB also is a 90 degree. So having a measurement 90 and 180 degree. Therefore 90 degree plus angle ECB is equal to 180 degree. So therefore angle ECB is equal to 180 minus 90 is equal to 90 degree. So ECB also having a measure is the 90 degree. So in a triangle ABC and ECB, in a triangle ABC and the triangle ECB, ECB segment AB congruent to the segment EC. Segment AB congruent to the segment EC. Then angle ABC congruent to the angle ECB. ABC congruent to the angle ECB. ECB. So each measurement each are having a measurement 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. This is also 90 degree because both are the ECB and the ABC both are the right angle triangle. So segment BC congruent to the segment BC because BC is a common side. So segment BC congruent to the segment BC because segment BC is the common side. So triangle ABC congruent to the triangle ECB. Congruent to the triangle ECB, which ABC and ECB both are the congruent triangle side angle side test. Which side angle side test? AB side, B angle and BC side. So segment AC congruent to the segment BE. AC congruent to the BE. And therefore AC is equal to EB. So AC is equal to EB. So BD, therefore BD is equal to half BE or EB. This is a constructor. So therefore BD half AC. BD is equal to half BE. Also the BD is equal to half AC.